For example 4, this is the dead body problem. Well, we find out that crime scene investigators use an exponential function to determine how long ago a body died. The function they use is that d equals d naught times e to the negative 0.223t. Couple things you should notice. E means that the body temperature is decreasing continuously, and this should make sense. The body temperature is not just going to drop suddenly 10 degrees, it's going to slowly decrease continuously, degree by degree. Also, the negative 0.223 does tell us that the body temperature is indeed decreasing. Okay, so definition of variables. D naught is the initial difference in temperature between the body and the surroundings. It's the difference between the temperature of the body and the temperature of the surroundings when the person initially died. D is the difference between the temperature of the body and the temperature of the surroundings after T hours, and T is how many hours have passed since the body died. Okay, we are told if a body is found at 10 a.m. in a room that has a constant temperature of 65 degrees, and the body is 75 degrees when found, how long ago did this person die? Let's go back to our equation. We have D equals D naught E to negative 0.223t. The question's asking how long. Means we're looking for t. The current difference between the body and the room is 10 degrees. And the initial difference, well, we're not explicitly given this in the problem, but we know and can assume that the body had an initial temperature of 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. If the room is 65 degrees, then the initial difference between the body and the room was that's not right. There we go, 33.6 degrees. We can plug these values in. We get 10 equals 33.6 times e to negative 0.223t. But now we need to solve for t, which we haven't done before. First, we want to get this whole exponent on its own. To do that, we divide both sides by 33.6. We get e to negative 0.223t equals 10 over 36, or 33.6, which is approximately 0.298. Now here's the tricky part. We need to figure out how to solve for that t. Well, we saw earlier that the natural log of e to some exponent is just that exponent. Because remember, natural log is the same as log base e. What we want to do then is take the natural log of both sides. On the left, we'll be left with 0.223t, which equals the natural log of 0.298. We can plug that into our calculators and get negative 1.211. T then equals negative 1.211 divided by negative 0.223. It's approximately 5.43. So this person died about 5.3 hours before 10 a.m. This last question here about the base E is what we mentioned before, and it means that the body temperature is decreasing continuously. It's constantly decreasing in temperature over time.